I could walk down the street and, you know what I'm saying? Everybody knows me. They said, oh yeah, that's Nino, you know, the pizza guy, he makes good pizza.
At Pizzeria del Corso on Avenue U in Marine Park, Nino Coniglio makes pizza on the fly.
This is the Pizzeria X game, so this is crazy to me. I didn't think anything like this existed until, I've never seen anybody in my life do something like this before.
Down here, there's a belief that pizza was invented in Italy and perfected in New York City, but no one could toss a pie like a Brooklyn guy. The problem is, you just don't see it much anymore.
Pizza Throwin, it's a great thing. It's like, it's a lost art. I remember when I was a kid, my father used to take me to the pizzeria and, you know, be an Italian guy and throw the pizza for me. You know what I'm saying? One guy would spin it on his finger, the other guy would, like, you know, toss it around a little bit, and it was great.
So Nino is on a mission to revive the art of keeping a pizza airborne.
This is New York City. We make the best pizza in the freaking world. I kid you not. All right? People come from all around the world to eat pizza here. And these days, it's like nobody loves it anymore. It's just these guys, they get a job, they don't take it seriously. A few places, you know what I'm saying, here and there that are keeping our old school, but it's a dying breed, you know. It's all about bottom line money, just like everything else, you know.
There used to be a time when you used to be able to walk into any neighborhood pizza joint and you got some guy behind the counter doing exactly what he does. Maybe not as well, and maybe not as energetic, but he can do it. And unfortunately, that's a dying breed.
Bobby, how we doing? You want a middle Sicilian cook? Both?
Nino's usually in the shop making or serving pizza, and there's always a peanut gallery around.
About 2 years ago, I got on the U.S. pizza team. I went to Paris, competed. Ever since then, China, Italy, everywhere. You know, my wife, she got me one of the practice doughs, throw dough made by the U.S. pizza team, and I started messing with it, and I just got real good. Just you gotta love it. You gotta have a passion for it. 2 hours a day practicing after work. You know, after making pizzas all day.
Nino's pizza throwing mentor is DeMarco, whose shop on Avenue J in Midwood is legendary. Dom has had the shop since 1964, and he still makes more than 100 pizzas a day himself, each with different cheeses. He grates his own Parmesan for every pie and uses an ordinary pair of scissors to cut a sheaf of fresh basil over the top, before drizzling virgin olive oil onto the bubbling pie while it's in the box.
This place, it's like the pizza mecca. This is a Jewish neighborhood. It's not even an Italian neighborhood. And, you know, Domi's been here 45 years. He used to throw them when he was younger, you know what I'm saying? Old school style like this, you know.
Do you still throw the pizza?
No. I used to do it when years ago. Not when I go for the pizza. So. To throw them up to catch them. Well, you have to do something to attract the people. See, I used to do it, and I used to be much younger. I used to throw up on you.
It's fun, no? Tell me it's not fun when you were younger to throw the pizza around. I'm a young now. Why can't I throw my pizza?
Pretty good.